Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
That was you, buddy. What? He wasn't going that fast until I tried to get in the lane.
Look at him.
Yeah, he's being the idiot.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Dude, what the frick? Oh my God. No way. Oh my God. I got on dash cam.
And another example of where this stuff gets a little complicated is when you look at state-by-state comparisons. So there are places that stayed remote quite a long time, like Maryland or Virginia, that saw some pretty significant declines. But then you look at a place like California, which was sort of a leader nationally in keeping schools closed longest. And
Yes, please.
Yo, I knew it was there, but I figured I could get closer to home and do it. Holy shit!
Never mind.
Yo, I just caught an accident. Holy! Hold on, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.
Goodbye.
Shit!
I don't know, an alcoholic going to the bar.
Hey, I've got a hit and run. I've got it on dash cam. I'm following the guy right now. We're on I-94. We're going to be taking the exit. We're headed eastbound. It's northwest 242B on I-94 east. No, they just took the on-ramp. The vehicle, it's a whiskey plate. And I'm following. I've got... Yeah, no, they crushed through 2 cars, took off their mirror on a white GMC. Yep, and they're driving right now. The car is sparking on the road right now. We are, looks like we might be staying on 94 eastbound here. Give me a second. I have no idea. We're on Dale Street. Concordia and Dale. And we are taking exit 242B right now for Highway 35E. Alrighty. We're gonna have a caller, okay? Sounds good. And I do, like I said. You got dash cam too, so. Yep. Yeah, they'll definitely call and let you talk to him too, okay? Sounds good. I don't have a description on the driver on that vehicle either, so. Alrighty. Perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.